I'm recording for Bobby. Say hi, Kendra. Hope you're having a good sleep, honey.
In 03 of
Oh, I'm sorry.
February of 08 of last year. Okay. Did he have it listed as a short sale or something?
Oops. Probably stopped it.
Oh. Okay. I'll have to call you back because my client's here, but and get that date, or just email me the date that you need the value on. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Oh, this is nice.
Hello. Sorry about that.
Vaulted ceilings. Hello.
Oh.
You know what? I'm gonna look at it first and then I'll record.